What is a slow cooker? Is your lack of time jeopardizing your family's desire for a home-cooked meal? Yep, the same thing happens to me. But I discovered an exciting way to cook I want to share with you. So, you want to buy a slow cooker? Maybe you have sweet dreams of coming home to a hot dinner done for you. And this delicious slow cooker meal makes your house smell so delicious. But what is a slow cooker and how do you choose the right one? And, most importantly, how much do you need to spend? Small or big slow cooker? What size is best for you? Slow cookers are available in a variety of sizes. I wouldn't presume to judge the size of your family, or their appetite. But I researched and found the 6 to 7 quart to be the best crockpots available. This size allows enough room to cook any full-size recipe. An oval-shaped slow cooker is more resourceful than a round one. This is especially true when you prepare a larger roast. A glass lid lets you check meal progress without opening the lid. And the glass lid traps the moist heat. Digital programmable model. The digital programmable slow cooker cooks for whatever time frame you set it automatically. It powers down to warm mode until you're ready to serve a delicious hot meal to your loved ones. People use slow cookers for much more than just braises and stews these days. This makes a good fit for digital programmable slow cookers. I'm confident the more modern slow cooker is for truly hands-off cooking. What is a slow cooker? Slow cookers are nothing more than big cupboard pots, sitting in a hollow housing. Inside that housing resides a long skinny heating element. This heater wraps around the lower middle of the pot like a belt. The belt wraps itself around the pot with wires. These wires look just like those red-hot wires you see inside your toaster. When the pot is on, the wire heats up, gently warming the crock pot. Some crock pots have a very thin, lightweight metal crock. This type heats and cools down much faster. The heating elements, placed underneath, make the slow cooker appear to be sitting on an enclosed electric hot plate. Pre-browning food is one feature many people really like. Slow cookers are a lifesaver. Cooking scrumptious food is only half the battle. In a nutshell, slow cookers are all about convenience. The whole point is to be quick and easy, isn't it? What is a slow cooker is not as important as what to cook in one. Cooking spectacular home-cooked meals is the reason I designed my slow cooker website. Visit my slow cooker site by clicking the link below or just type www.slowcookbooks.com into your browser. For more slow cooker ideas and recipes, subscribe to my channel and come back often. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!